This video will look at contract service types. So firstly we go into the help desk and click on contract service, and then from the contract service type drop down we just take the search page. So to create a new contract service type we click the create link on the right hand side, and so any contract services that are created of this type will inherit the following settings. So firstly we give it a name, we can give it a description, can select a tax code. From time to time contract service types are depreciated and replaced with new ones, so if we do need to mark one as obsolete, we can tick this flag here and select an alternative contract service type. So this means if a customer does have a contract service in place of this type, when their contract does expire, if they're set to automatically renew, they'll renew into the new contract service type that's been selected. The is paid in advance flag determines whether an invoice is generated for the contract service at the beginning or the end of the billing cycle. The does renew flag is as we mentioned earlier, once the contract has expired for a customer, this determines whether a new one automatically is set up on behalf of the customer. The skip first invoice if an external payment flag is relevant in the instance where a contract is already in place before having been set up in the system and you don't want the first billing cycle to include an invoice. So we then have some billing details here. So firstly we set the price, so this is the price that will appear on the contract, X tax, and then we can set the billing period. So you know, if it was a mobile phone we might say it's every month, alternatively it could be weekly or daily. The service period applies to how long the contract lasts for, so again, you know, this could be a 12-month contract that's being billed every month.